Hi, it's Chris with WTI. Do you have a sore back from sitting too much? Do you feel like a hunchback when you walk? Do you want to improve your posture and look more confident? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then you need this amazing QUTOOL Lumbar Support pillow. I like that this pillow has a unique profile. It's specially designed to fit the shape of your back and support your spine in an upright position. What makes it amazing is that it's made of memory foam. It's also very durable and won't lose its shape over time. The pillow has a breathable mesh cover that keeps you cool and dry. You can easily remove it and stick it in the washing machine whenever it gets dirty. You can use this pillow pretty well anywhere you sit for a prolonged period of time. It has two strong elastic straps that keep it securely attached. I like that it also has a rubberized backing to prevent it from slipping around. I put mine in my truck whenever I'm going on a long drive. It's great for truck drivers, teachers, students, wheelchair users, office workers, and the elderly. Anyone really who has to sit for any length of time. Don't miss this chance to get this awesome lumbar pillow and transform your life. But that's just my point of view.